Woman's body found in car trunk in downtown Kingston.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There was a gruesome discovery in downtown Kingston, in the vicinity of the waterfront on Thursday the 4th of June, when the body of a female was found in the trunk of a car on Camara Road about 10:45 p.m. She has since been identified as Michelle Myrie of a Grantspen St. Andrew address. Police investigators reported that the woman had been gagged and there was a wound to her face. Those gathered at the scene theorized that Myrie had been stabbed to death and her body was abandoned at the location where it was found. On Friday, several reports emerged on social media alleging that the deceased woman was an associate of Paul Pablo Miller, the man who was killed in the Washington Gardens area of St. Andrew on Tuesday. However, the Corporate Communications Unit, the police's information arm, did not corroborate the social media reports. We can confirm that the woman is dead and that the Elliston Road police are investigating, said a representative of the CCU. In the meantime, friends and family members of the deceased woman are mourning her death. Today is a sad day for me and my family, as we mourn the passing of my cousin, Michelle Myrie, who was brutally killed. Today my heart is grieving. Please remember me and my family in your prayers. Thank you, a family member said in a post on Facebook.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.